YouTube? You know, it's a boy Taboo. You know, before we get started in this thing, remember, go on Instagram, please, and thank you, and follow me at tab underscore Izzle. That's TAB underscore IZZLE. Follow me on Twitter at Tabizzle. You see me? You know, go on Facebook. You can like my page at Taboo Crime New Gen KFG. That's caps like K.F.G. You see me? Okay. The issue I'm really turned up about this morning is Jamaican politicians and their failure of answering the question that the people want. Like, you ask them a clear cut question, and it's easy for them to just say is either yes or is either no. Let me give you an example. Say, for instance, ask Portia Simpson Miller. Mrs. Portia Simpson Miller, what is the color of your skin? Aren't you brown? Well, 4 years ago, my parents was black, and I grown up in a black family, and then there was a brown dad and a brown mother. Like, seriously? Yes or no? Are you brown? Well, back in my great grandparents, they were there, and they were just black, and they were coming up, and I became brown. And you see what I'm talking about? YouTube, like, Jamaican politicians, they just never answer a question straightforward yet before. That's one of my problems. Another thing now. Okay, we go to the water minister, Minister of Agriculture, or water minister. Is the water dirty or not? Well, in the Caribbean, there's a lot of green floatings, and to appear to make the water dirty, there's a lot of dirty water coming down, so we don't know. And this thing, answer the question, yes or no. Okay, back to Portia Simpson Miller. Portia Simpson Miller, are you Portia Simpson Miller? Well, my parents named me Vivian Simpson Miller back then, and when I was there, Portia, yes or no? Why? Let me tell you something, world. Jamaican politicians are the hardest, and I'm not finished with this topic. I have to go back and do some more research and everything, but I just hope you enjoyed this short clip. Just hope you enjoyed it. Remember, follow me on Instagram at tab underscore Izzle, Twitter tab Izzle, and me Facebook, like my page Taboo Crime New Gen KFG. SkyMeds Crime Family represent. Peace out.